So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get the optimal video recording quality from your Canon R5. The first thing you're gonna need is a CF Express fast card, one that is fast enough to record 8K on the Canon R5. The next thing you're gonna need is an SD card that is big enough and fast enough to record proxies onto the camera. And of course, you're gonna need the Canon R5. Now that we got everything necessarily needed to shoot an optimal 8K RAW, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now that you hit the menu button, we're gonna see movie record quality. Now, if you go into the movie record quality, you're gonna realize that there is 8K options, but that's not the 8K we're gonna go after. In order to go to the 8K that we want, we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go to the wrench. Now that we're at the wrench, we're gonna go onto the first page and then press record function and card. And we're going to switch this from standard to 1 RAW, 2 MP4. Now that you're at the camera menu section, you're gonna need to go to the first page and then go here, go to movie recording size, and then you're gonna see different options. Now these are the 8K RAW options that Canon has available. You pick your poison. We're gonna go to the third option, go to Canon log settings, and make sure Canon log is not off, but on, and I like to choose C-Log 3, so we're gonna pick C-Log 3, and we're gonna change the color space from, you probably have it at Rec 709, we're gonna switch it over to Cinema Gamut. And that's basically it. Hopefully that was informative. If it was, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Much love to all of y'all, and make sure you gobble, gobble, eat, eat.